Hey, what's up? Today I have more so of a technique for you than a recipe. I want to show you how to do baked eggs, sunny side up style, much healthier version, in the oven rather than frying. If you're like me, I love my fried eggs. I love them for breakfast, for lunch, for brunch, whatever. But this is a healthier technique for a similar end product. So, first things first, preheat your oven, hot and heavy, 425 degrees Fahrenheit or about 220 degrees Celsius. Get that preheating and going. The second part, you're gonna need a flat sheet pan with some parchment paper on it. It gives you like an anti-stick surface. You can go with the traditional Silpats if you have, those reusable, non-stick kind of deals. That's fine too. So what I'm gonna do is, for a little added flavor, I'm gonna just drizzle a little bit of my Greek extra virgin olive oil, like a very small amount. I'm gonna take some paper towel, and what I wanna do is very simply just run it over so almost like it's lubing the bottom. And it's gonna add that delicious, rich olive oil flavor to this. So just like that, very easy. Next thing, let's just get right to it. We're gonna crack our eggs over right into this, just like that. I'm gonna take these, I'm gonna pop them into my 425-degree oven for about 8 to 12 minutes, depending on the doneness, and they're gonna be ready to go. That's it. All right, my oven just beeped. Ready to go here. And they are absolutely perfect. Check this out. Tell me that is not a thing of beauty. And so easy, so quick. There is absolutely nothing to this. They become perfect. And probably a quarter of the calories and the fat of regular fried eggs. I'm gonna use some rusks. Hugely popular in Europe. A lot of people eat them here. They're awesome. So, just like that. Perfect. I'm gonna take now my spatula and real easy, just gonna take these eggs and kind of break them apart. They merged in the oven. What are you gonna do? And very carefully, they'll just come right off. Literally, they will literally just come right off. I'm just gonna place these over these two rusks here. Just like that. I'm gonna do a little bit of salt and pepper, just very, very plain Jane seasoning. Olive oil doesn't have any salt in it. If you use salted butter, you can kind of leave this step out. I'm gonna do a little fresh cracked black pepper over my eggs, and you know what? A little parsley flake. Just zhuzh up the plate around, just like that. And that, my friends, is perfect. That is one of the healthiest and most delicious ways you're gonna ever eat eggs. So that's it for this episode on my baked eggs, sunny side up style or over easy, depending on how long you cook them. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you learned something and you use this technique for your eggs as a healthier option. Click that like button, hit subscribe if you haven't already, and until next time, thanks again for watching. From my kitchen to yours, much love. Bye for now.